This drink is supposed to be mind-blowing. Let's find out if it really is up next. It's time for something that I am dubbing the comment cocktail. Basically, it works like this. See, I get a lot of comments over on my YouTube channel here, and different videos, people either liking the drink, hating the drink, telling me different variations I should try. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try these other variations, and I'm starting with this one. It comes from the Paloma Drink Recipe, and it is a comment by a gentleman named Ranbo A. This is the comment. He says, put a shot of orange juice and the taste will blow your mind. Just absolutely blow your mind. So that is what we're going to do today. I have all the ingredients gathered up, and we're going to see how this thing works. And on a side note, if you want to make your own comments and stuff on videos, you might just end up in a video like this. And if you want to see even more, well, hit that subscribe button. Now, for those of you that don't know, a Paloma is a really nice, tequila cocktail. It's a nice alternative to a margarita. Very easy to make, very sweet, good, refreshing drink. So, that's enough of my yammering. Let's start making some cocktails. I'm going to start off with a shaker tin. Now, the only liquor in this is tequila, and it's going to be 2 ounces. I always say this, you want to make sure your tequila says 100% agave on it, otherwise it's just not worth it. Anyone that's seen more than one of my videos has heard me say that many times, and I cannot stress enough how important that is. So this is going to consist of typically just lime juice, but remember, we are adding the orange juice in there as the suggestion goes. But let's start off with a lime. I'm going to start off here. I'm just going to use the juice of 1 lime. Should be about 1 ounce, roughly. I got this really crazy juicer here. It's nice for things like oranges, just for the fact that, they're bigger. You can mash them a little better with a big juicer like this. This crazy looking thing came from Tupperware. But really simple. Crush these limes. And as I thought, about 1 ounce. So that's going to go into the tin. Now, I wasn't given a specific instruction on the amount, although the person said a shot. So being that they said a shot, I guess that would be either 2 ounces, 1.5 ounces. I'm actually going to go with 1.5 ounces here. So that's what I'm going to go with, is the 1.5 ounces. The next thing we're going to do is add some ice to this and give it a nice shake. A few cubes. I'm going to take a glass, and we're going to put some ice in the glass as well. I like to strain my Palomas over new ice. And this is just going to get strained into the glass. there should be a little bit of room for at least a few ounces at the top, and that's going to be filled with Squirt Soda. Add in a nice little straw, and that is a Paloma, hopefully a mind-blowing Paloma. Well, let's see if it's going to be mind-blowing or if it's just going to blow. It's very enjoyable, very refreshing. The orange adds a more mellow, whereas the original version I used had 1.5 ounces of lime juice, and it was more tart. This version, very citrusy as well, you know, but it's not as citrusy. It has a little more mellow of a flavor, a little sweeter of a flavor. Is it technically a Paloma? No. Is it technically good? Absolutely. So I just want to give a shout out to you, Rambo. That was an amazing drink, and I'm really happy with it. So like I said earlier, if you have cocktail recipes you want to see me try on the show, put them in the comments. Doesn't matter what video it is, just put it in a comment. If you have a variation of the drink I made that you think is cool, put it down there, and I just might try it out myself. So I want to thank you all for watching this. If it weren't for you, the viewers, I wouldn't be able to stand here and do this. So remember, if this idiot can do it, so can you. Cheers.